Text overlay, truth about AI flashes in red. Fast zoom into host face. 47% of people who use artificial intelligence are doing it completely wrong. Not could be better, completely wrong. And the 15 hacks I'm about to show you? Most people will never discover even half of them. Split screen, person typing normally versus speed typing blur? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make artificial intelligence do things you didn't think were possible. Not theory. Not concepts. 15 specific tricks you can use today. Here's the first one, and it's the one that shocked me the most. B-roll, someone talking to their computer like a friend. Hack number 1, talk to artificial intelligence like a person, not a machine. When you say write me an email, that's what most people do. But when you say you are my CEO who just found out our biggest client is leaving, write me the email you would send, suddenly the output transforms. Text overlay, 47% better results. Studies show that giving artificial intelligence a specific role before you ask a question improves the answer by almost 47%. Not 10%. Not a little better. 47. B-roll, chain links connecting one by one. Hack number 2 is the chain method. Most people ask one question and stop. But here's the secret that top artificial intelligence users know. Text overlay, the chain method. You never ask just one question. You ask question 1. Take that answer. Feed it into question 2. Take that answer. Feed it into question 3. Each answer builds on the last one. It's like compound interest for your brain. Animation, simple math turning into complex equations. Hack number 3, they explain it to a 10-year-old trick. When artificial intelligence gives you an answer that sounds fancy but means nothing, type these 5 words, explain that like I'm 10. The difference in clarity will shock you. Split screen, long messy text versus clean bullet points. Hack 4, always ask for bullet points. Sounds simple, right? But here's the part nobody talks about: when you ask for bullet points, you're not just getting shorter answers. You're forcing the artificial intelligence to organize its thinking. Messy thoughts become messy bullets. Clear thoughts become clear bullets. B-roll, someone uploading a document. Hack 5, upload, don't type. Most people copy and paste text into artificial intelligence. But the real hack? Upload the entire document. A PDF. A spreadsheet. A presentation. Let artificial intelligence read the whole thing, not just the part you remembered to copy. Chart showing, upload method, 3x faster. And this is where it gets interesting. Because hack 6 is something even experienced users miss completely. Text overlay, the critique hack. Hack 6, ask artificial intelligence to argue against itself. After you get an answer, type, now tell me everything wrong with what you just said. This one sentence will catch mistakes you would never find on your own. What I discovered next completely changed how I use this technology. Reaction shot, surprised expression. Hack 7, voice mode is not a gimmick. Most people type. But when you speak to artificial intelligence out loud, your brain works differently. You explain things more naturally. You go on tangents that lead to better ideas. The words flow faster than your fingers can keep up. B-roll, clock ticking fast. Hack 8, set a time limit. Tell artificial intelligence you have 30 seconds to answer this. The pressure creates sharper answers. It cuts the fluff. Every word counts. Animation, person climbing stairs, each step labeled. Hack 9 is where most people give up, and that's exactly why it works. It's called progressive prompting. You start with a simple question. Then you say go deeper. Then what's the one thing most people miss about this? Each level filters out people who won't do the work. B-roll, spree.